In name of my team, I would like to salute the audience, judges, and opponents. I have the honor to open this final debate with resolution. The separation of the public and the private is detrimental to human rights. I will start by definition of the main terms. Separation, isolation, something that is divided, something that has been taken apart. Public, something that is open, not hidden, which concerns social political life. Private, which doesn't have official character, personal, in public. Women's rights, part of human rights that protect women from any kind of discrimination on sexual position and I will do that. I'm going to start with the title, which is the separation of the public and the private is not detrimental to the woman's rights. I do agree with your definition. Our criteria is about healthy society, which we all know that is what we want nowadays. I do not agree with your criteria, which was human rights. I think that human rights, we have all the rights that we want, but what we want here, we want a healthy society.
About this very important topic, and which is separation of public and the private, is detrimental to women's rights, but we support that separation of public to private isn't detrimental to women's rights. And starting from the criteria, what opposite side and my colleagues discussed about criteria, their criteria was human rights. And we know that conventions give before 50 years or 50 years, that is today, that is respected. But what we need is to have healthy society. What my colleagues try to say all the time, that we need, if we want to have a better future, we need to have healthy society. And about arguments, what you discussed, and your first argument was something about biological and psychological unity of women and some functions, and you mentioned about some few functions, talking and looking and something else that's not in these two hemispheres, but it's behind the brain, and that's something else, but we don't want now to mention that. And what my colleague said about brain, and one side are mathematical, for example, the scientists and the
ravnopravnost spolova, gospođi Nadi Drobnjak, koja je obezbijedila nagrade za 3 debatera koji će učestvovati, znači, na svjetskom prvenstvu u Estoniji. Želio bih da se zahvalim Franju Ljudžuraj koji je obezbijedio prevoz, znači, opštini Podgorica, koji je, dobro, vi ste to obezbijedili, znači, prevoz za učenike iz autobuske stanice do ovdje i, znači, kao povratku. Želio bih da se zahvalim školi kao, znači, domaćinu na srdačnom prijemu i želio bih svima da se zahvalim učesnicima. Nadam se da su naišli na dobar prijem i da su zadovoljni svi. Znači, bez obzira da su svi, znači, pobjednici u ovome i da se ovako promoviše otvoreno društvo, znači, najbolje. Želio bi se zahvaliti i televiziji Boin, znači, koji su propratili znači, ovu finalnu debatu i koji će dati to na lokalnoj televiziji. I naravno imamo još, da se zahvalimo britanskom konzulatu, savjetu, koji izvjestu da će financirati jedan dio puta za Estoniju, znači pola, ali koji danas nisu prisutni, ja vidim. Znači, ovo je bilo od mene i sad samo da čekamo odluke sudija, znači, afirmativni ili ne, jedan glas, ne znam. Ne, kažem, jedan glas u tebe, da. Jedan glas u tebe. Idemo dalje. Gojko samo kratko može. Da ne bude najkraći. I idemo dalje. Negativni. Znači, 2:1 dobio je afirmativni tim. U ovom slučaju je bilo Berane.